YouTube is one of the biggest platforms in the world and now is consistently fighting with TikTok. Because of this, YouTube pushing brand new short channels to algorithm to go viral even faster. I made this YouTube Shorts channel 2 months ago about Marvel movies, and I used this traffic to get sales on my Shopify store. At that time, I was selling electric Thor hammer. And because new Marvel movie Deadpool 3 is coming up, I'm looking forward to use this opportunity to sell. I don't have ideas yet, so while I'm taking, please leave a comment to support. But let's get serious. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to go viral in a matter of weeks. If you already have decent knowledge about editing videos, thumbnails, things like that, and you want to take the next step or start a new channel, publishing consistently or putting out a random video without any planning is the worst thing to do. It was 2 years ago since the algorithm wasn't pushing our first video anyways, but now that just means wasting your biggest chance to grow. You can completely blow up right in your first video, like this channel and this and many more. Well, how to do that? Obviously, you can't use the regular way for this. You need to choose the extreme way. Although the YouTube algorithm has changed a lot, it still wants just two things: make people click and make people watch. So basically, you need a good video idea, good title and thumbnail, good editing, and a good story. You must spend as much time as you can on each of these to make a video that connects with your audience. Let's focus on making people stay and watch. For this example, I will use fight scene between Thor and Hulk. The Thor vs. Hulk showdown was akin to a colossal collision of titans, a dream match for comic book and superhero enthusiasts. What made it so compelling was the clash of not just physical might but personalities. Thor, the Norse god of thunder, versus the Hulk, a green rage machine. Their fans were invested in seeing their favorites triumph. What made viewers want to see this confrontation to begin with was the promise of sheer spectacle. People were curious about the sheer scale of power each possessed and how it would play out in the battle. The allure of this showdown was more than just brute force. It was the clash of ideologies, personalities, and tactics. This anticipation held the audience's attention, and what kept them hooked throughout the fight was the unpredictable nature of the confrontation. The battle wasn't just about who would win, but how they'd win. It was about each blow, each tactic, and the relentless back and forth that kept the audience at the edge of their seats. The filmmakers knew that, and they ensured the fight was a visually stunning display of power, utilizing the back and forth sequences to maintain the tension, ensuring that the viewers were constantly engaged, wanting to see how the fight would unfold and who would emerge victorious. The blend of anticipation, curiosity, and the desire to see how the clash played out ensured viewers stayed locked into the action until the very end. Now think about the potential thumbnail for a video showcasing this battle. The thumbnail is crucial because it's the first thing viewers see. It would capture this electrifying face-off, a moment where both Thor and Hulk are facing off against each other, maybe mid-battle or in that intense moment just before the action explodes. It'd be vibrant, dynamic, and visually striking, making anyone browsing the video options stop and say, "Whoa, I need to see this." That thumbnail should give a sense of the action-packed confrontation and highlight the two iconic characters to get viewers interested in witnessing the clash and discovering the outcome. It's that curiosity, that what happens next feeling that draws people in, and the thumbnail plays a massive role in evoking that sense of excitement and anticipation. Follow for more.